Oh man, I'm so bored. Hey, what do I want to do today? I know. I'm gonna invite my friends over. Yeah, I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna get my phone. I'm gonna call them. Okay, I got the phone. Now let's call them. Call. Hey Mickey, you wanna come over? You? Okay, I'll meet you here. Bye. Okay, Mickey's coming. So all we gotta do is just let him go put the phone back. Go. Who could that be? Hey, dude. Hey, Mickey. You want to come in? Sure. Let's go on the couch and do something, okay? Good. Oh, my. I'm glad you came. Who's that? Kermit, probably, because I invited. Hey, Kermit, come on. Come over here. Come. Kermit. Kermit. Hi. I made it. I wasn't late this time. Did you invite him to Mickey? Yeah. He invited me. Whatever, you a nerd. Get out of here. You like it. Whoa, Mickey. Yeah. Whatever. Yeah. La la. Let's turn on the TV. Okay. Let me get the remote. Okay, I got the remote. Okay, got it. Turn on. Bam. Bam. It's big. It's cool. Come get the Fortnite Battle Bus. Come get it now. Only $99.99. You see it on the screen? Only $99.99. Come get it now. Super awesome. And look, it pushes. Come get it now. Only $9.99. Come get. Oh, it's only $100. I mean, $20. Come get it now for $20. It's the best toy out there. Come get it now. Come get it now. Yeah, come get it now. I'm keep saying come get it now. Come get it now. Come get it now. Now. Yeah. It's cool. It's big. It's the lightsaber. Come get it now. Watch what it does. See this? Let me turn it on. Have you turn this on? Button. See, look, and it does this. It's only set $27. Come get it now. This is really cool. Now I tell you. Now. Order it offline. Website .ebug. Disney lightsaber. Come get the lightsaber. It's the weirdest toy out there. Go to call 555-666-7899. Come get it now. Right now. Now. Only $27. See it on the screen right there. Come get it now. It's almost out of sale. This is the last one we got. Come get it now. I mean it. Now. Bye. We gotta go get that helmet still. I'll be right back when we get that lightsaber. I'll be right back. We finally got the lightsaber. It works too. Hey, you know how you're a nerd, yeah? Yeah, take that. How you like that? Just a little nap. Well, gotta go to school tomorrow. Pew. Pew. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want more videos. If you do it again, next video will be the school. Bye. But I'll still be doing the school. So, bye.